Twitch and YouTube categories, which is big. If you know anything about Twitch and YouTube in particular, a lot of your discoverability is placed upon setting in the correct category, even if people aren't necessarily looking for you. So prior to streaming here, I would have to go live. I would have to go in over to our Twitch channel or over to our YouTube and adjust it after I've already gone live. Now, prior to a stream, it'll ask you, do you want to, what category you want to set this for, and kind of help you alleviate some of that going back and forth. The feature that was in high demand was adding hotkeys to Melon, and you might even see it up here, right here, where it says, there's a little up arrow and M. That's essentially Shift and M, brings up the menu over here, or you can click over here on your icon, go to keyboard shortcuts, and it'll list all the ones we have currently here. So that's copy, invite guests, menu, unmute, so on and so forth. This is highly requested, so I'm glad we have these now. Shout out to Darren for suggesting those a while back. So volume control. So the host can now control the volume of their guests as well as themselves. So if you look over here, now I can control the volume of myself as well as Caleb down here. If I think he's coming in a little bit too loud on the stream, I can just cut him down a little bit, kind of keep it in the mid, and you can adjust that to whatever you like.